मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं चरणं प्रपद्ये। ॐ सत्यवाचे नमः। ॐ सत्यविक्रमाय नमः। ॐ सत्यव्रताय नमः। ॐ सदा हनुमदाश्रिताय नमः। Welcome to the very first episode of Sundara Vahini series, Hanuman's Moment of Destiny. Tato Ravana Nitayaha Sitayaha Shatrukarshanaha Iyesha Padamanveshtum Charana Charite Pathi. Imagine this, the mighty Hanuman, the strongest and the most loyal warrior, stands surrounded by his friends Jambavanta, Angada and the brave Vanaras. Their hearts are heavy. The beautiful and gentle Sita Mata has been kidnapped by the fearsome Ravana, the demon king with 10 heads. Everybody is worried. The task ahead feels impossible. But Hanuman is different. He listens closely as his friends pray and hope. He can feel their concern deep inside his heart. Instead of giving in to fear, something incredible wakes up inside Hanuman, a force of determination and hope. He takes a deep breath and you can see it in his eyes. Hanuman knows he is the one for this mission. He has not jumped yet, but now all eyes are on him. He stands tall, brimming with strength, preparing for what could be the biggest leap of his life. Even the Siddhas and the Charanas, those magical beings in the skies, can sense that something extraordinary is about to happen. Now, as Hanuman gets ready, you have to wonder along with everyone else. Will his brave decision and giant heart lead him to Sita Mata, or does an even tougher challenge await him to be revealed in the next episode? Om Rama Bhaktaya Namaha.